Hello, friends, and welcome back to Storytime at Nana's house. So good to have you here once again. So, the book I'm going to share right now, I have never read before on my channel, and this is called The Bird Feeders. Are you ready? Let's read. Nana loved to watch birds. She tossed seeds on the ground. Birds came to eat the seeds, and Nana watched them hop and peck and flap. But sometimes the birds didn't get the seeds. "Look at those squirrels," said Nana. "They are eating the seeds," she said. "We can fix that," said Rose. "We'll make a bird feeder," said Matt. Rose and Matt made a bird feeder. They set it up outside in the yard. "Now you can watch the birds again," Rose said. But the squirrels still came to eat the seeds. "Those squirrels!" Nana cried. "Look at them climb that pole. They're taking the birds' feed." So Rose and Matt cut some tin. They made a cone and put it on the pole. "Now the squirrels can't climb the pole," said Rose. But the squirrels still got to the feeder. "Look at that squirrel jump!" Nana cried. "It jumped all the way from the tree to get the seeds." "Fix that," said Rose. "How?" Nana asked. "I don't know," said Rose. Rose and Matt made more bird feeders. They made feeders that twirled and feeders that tipped and feeders that swung. They made one feeder that had balloons and pinwheels too. They hung up all the bird feeders. Then they watched. Squirrels climbed. Squirrels swung. Squirrels leaped. "Best one," Rose said. She pointed at the biggest feeder. "Birds can use it, but the squirrels can't," she said. So Rose and Matt took down all the other feeders. The birds looked happy, but Nana looked a little sad. "I think Nana misses the squirrels," Matt said. "They were fun to watch," said Rose. So they put all the feeders back up. Then the birds and the squirrels all had plenty to eat. And everyone loved to watch them until, oh, what's going to happen? Do you know? Let's find out together, shall we? "Oh no!" Nana cried. "Look at that bear!" Wait, what? Do you see the bear? He is getting into the bird seed. Oh, brother. And that was the end. Da, da, da. Oh my goodness. Can you believe that? Isn't that crazy? Can you imagine if you saw a bear getting into the bird seed, the bird feed? What would you do? Could you build a higher bird feeder? Maybe up to the sky? Don't know. But even if you did, would the bear be able to climb that far up? That's a good question, isn't it? What do you think? Well, my friends, it is time for me to go. But before I do, I want to encourage you to continue letting your light shine by being kind. Nana always says it because I want to encourage you to do so, because when you're kind to someone, you could take their bad day and turn it around and be a much better day for them. And maybe just knowing that somebody showed kindness somebody cared can change their day, or better yet, even change their life. Thanks again for stopping by. Until next time, take care of yourselves. God bless you. And always, always, always remember that this Nana right here really does love you. Take care.